I really love making white garments. They always look so festive and elegant. They flatter any woman, and in the summer, they look absolutely stunning. When you have a tan and you're wearing a white blouse with sheer little windows, it looks so playful and unique. So keep that in mind. Now, look how much time it took us to lay out the wool. Hardly any at all, right? Of course, you can use your own felting method for this if you have one. But this is exactly how I felt blouses. Well, it didn't take us much time either.
Yeah,
How many minutes?
well, no more than half an hour.
Yeah, no more than half an hour. Look at the edge of our piece. You don't need to do anything to it. It just turns out perfectly beautiful all by itself. I just can't get enough of it. What a beauty. Every time I look at these blouses, my heart rejoices. Perfect, that's exactly right. Flawless, as we say in Ukraine.